The liver is one of the body's most vital organs. It is responsible for many important functions related to digestion, metabolism, immunity, and storage of nutrients that the body needs to survive. The liver is a gland that secretes chemicals required by other parts of the body. In fact, the liver is the only part of your body that is both an organ and a gland. A healthy liver regulates the composition of blood, removes harmful toxins from the blood, as well as processes and converts nutrients absorbed by the intestine during digestion into forms that the body can use. It also stores some vitamins, iron, and simple sugar glucose. It is also responsible for breaking down insulin, hemoglobin, and other hormones. In addition, it destroys old red blood cells and produces chemicals needed for the blood to clot properly. Because the liver performs so many vital functions, it is important to keep it healthy by natural liver cleansing foods. An unhealthy diet and poor lifestyle can overwork and overload the liver, leaving it unable to process toxins and fat efficiently. This in turn can raise the risk of obesity, cardiovascular disease, chronic fatigue, headaches, digestive problems, allergies, and many other health problems. So here's the list of 11 foods that can naturally cleanse the liver. Lemon water. Warm lemon water is a great way to detox liver every single morning. This isn't lemonade, so don't add sugar or anything else. Just purified water and a healthy dose of fresh lemon juice. Broccoli. Broccoli is high in fiber that naturally cleanses the body from carcinogens and other toxins. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and other members of the cruciferous veggie family also contain glucosinolates, which help the liver produce enzymes to aid the removal of toxins and aid in digestion. Broccoli is also a good source of fat-soluble vitamin E, an especially important antioxidant for the liver. Avocados. Avocados contain compounds that can protect the liver from damage. Avocados benefit in protecting the liver from galactosamine, a powerful toxin that has been shown to produce a liver damage much like human viral hepatitis. Avocados is one of the most important liver cleansing foods. Tomatoes. They have abundant amount of glutathione, which are great detoxifiers for the liver. As a side effect, lycopene in tomatoes will protect against breast, skin, and lung cancer. Lemon. As discussed earlier, lemons provide a wealth of antioxidants, primarily vitamin C, and they help your liver produce more enzymes which give you more energy and help with digestion. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also holds high amount of allicin and selenium, two natural compounds that also aid in liver cleansing. Apples. High in pectin, apple holds the chemical constituent necessary for the body to cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract. This in turn makes it easier for the liver to handle the toxic load during the cleansing process. Green tea. Green tea is full of plant antioxidants known as catechins, a compound known to assist liver function. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, and the amino acid arginine, which supports normal liver cleansing actions, especially when detoxifying ammonia. Beetroots. Beetroots are another powerful food for cleansing and supporting liver function. High in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, they help stimulate and improve overall liver function. Moreover, beetroots are natural blood purifiers too. Turmeric. This is a liver's favorite spice. Turmeric helps boost liver detox by assisting enzymes that actively flush out dietary carcinogens. I hope you learned something new from this video. Write us in the comments below what you would like to see in our next video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.